In this video, I'll show you how to create a journal with Claude AI. This is a simple way to generate prompts or structure your daily journaling. To begin, I'll make sure I'm already logged into my Claude account and on the main Claude screen. Next, I'll click inside the message box in the center of the screen, where Claude asks, "How can I help you today?" Now I'll type a prompt asking Claude to create a journal. For example, I might type, "Create a daily journal template with reflection questions." After typing the prompt, I'll click the Send button. Claude will generate a journal template, which may include sections like daily reflections, goals, gratitude, and notes. If I want a more personalized journal, I can include more details in my prompt, such as the type of journal or purpose. For example, I might type, "Create a self-improvement journal with prompts for personal growth." Claude can also help generate daily prompts or guided questions to make journaling easier. Once the journal is ready, I can copy or download the content and use it for my daily writing. And that's it. I've successfully created a journal using Claude AI. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick AI tutorials and guides.